this drink on Thanksgiving. Well, during Thanksgiving I created this drink, and I served it to my guests here for Thanksgiving. And let me tell you where this drink originated from. So during that time I was on the keto diet, and I was trying to find ways to make keto-friendly diet drinks where I'm still able to get my drink on, but still not break on the carbs that come along when you're drinking alcohol. And that's with the sugar and stuff like that. So tonight I'm actually using an infused vodka. Now, rarely do I use infused vodka. Like literally I have in my bars, I have 2 bars, in my bars that I have quite a few infused vodkas that friends have given me as gifts. Actually, the very first time that I did drink an infused vodka was in New York a couple of years ago with 2 girlfriends of mine. They introduced me to this infused vodka, and I actually liked it. It was really, really good. I'm not going to say the name tonight because I'm going to bring that infused vodka back to battle the infused vodka that I'm using tonight. Yes. So, what we're going to do right now is that I'm going to get everything together up here, and then I'm going to come back, and we're going to have all the ingredients out here, and we're going to be ready for this infused martini drink that I'm going to introduce to you guys. All right? All right, guys. So this is the sexy ingredients for this, and this is what I named it. It is my Sexy Spicy Cucumber and Mint Martini. Yes, when I say it's spicy, it is spicy. All right, so for you guys tonight, because I'm not on a keto diet right now, I'll go back on it in about 2 weeks. So the original recipe that I didn't use the white grape. I did not. And why I didn't, because it's 38 carbs that's in this in here for just an ounce of this is too much. But what I did do, so what I'm going to do is first is I'm going to show you what I did for my keto. I used the vodka, I used the lime simple syrup, which actually only has 2 grams of carbs. I use this right here. This is what I love Bloody Marys too. I don't know if you guys used to look at my post, but I love Bloody Marys. I love to go to different states and go to different restaurants and see who has, the best Bloody Mary. But I use the chili lime brimming salt here, as well as this Ketel One cucumber and mint. This is something that I picked up during Thanksgiving when I was trying to stock my bar for my guests, and it's really delicious. So I use these ingredients for my drink then, because I was trying to be low in carbs. At that time, I was only eating 20 carbs a day, like literally 20 carbs a day. And I lost quite a few pounds. I lost about 10 pounds, 10, 15 pounds between there. Doing that, but I was still able to drink as well. All right, so, but tonight I'm going to add this white grape juice in there and see if it could give it a nice little kick or twist to it for you, all right? All right, so you guys ready? So I'm gonna do this one more time. So these are the ingredients that we are using tonight. We are using the Ketel One cucumber mint. We are using the chili lime salt rim. We are using the sweetened lime juice syrup, We are using white grape, as well as some fresh mint leaves and fresh cut cucumbers. Yes. All right, so we ready? You ready? Let's go. So if you are new to this channel and you're wondering, as I'm pouring, that I'm pouring a little bit too much, no, I'm not. This is called, Nyomi servings. These are double shots. Double shots. That means they're double serving. So I will actually say it really only calls for this for 1 serving, but because we're doing Nyomi's, it's going to be 2 shots. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. All right, so we're going to start off with our Ketel One. And when I say this smells good, Ooh, it smells so good. I am truly excited about this. I was pulling off the mint for it, and it just feels so fresh. I just can't wait to taste it, to feel it in my mouth. But for a regular serving, we will only need 1.5 serving. But for Nyomi's serving, we're gonna do 3. Remember? Oh, and so let me not forget. All right, this is my measurement. So this is an ounce, and this is a 1/2 ounce. So we're gonna be using this. All right, you ready? 3. All right, so that's 1. Let's go again. That's 2, and 1 more. That's 3. I'm gonna have to work that up. All right, so I know I haven't said in any of my videos before, but in my shaker, I have a half. It's filled half with ice, so I got like a half filled of ice that's inside of the shaker. All right, so next that we have is here our chili lime sweetening. Oh, that smells good. So it actually, for a regular serving, you're only supposed to use a 1/2 ounce, but we're going to use 1 ounce for this one. All right, so next, what I'm going to do is the grape juice. All right, so we're going to use only what 1 serving is 1.5, but today, for Nyomi's serving, we're going to do 3. That's 1, 2, and 3. All right, so I'm gonna do something a little different today because I'm really in a minty type of feel. So I'm gonna take a few of these mint leaves and I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in here. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and drop it in here, in there, right there. So now you guys know what time it is. It's time to shake it up. That's why I need that music to shake it up with. Ready? Let's do it. And get shaking into this chill. Alright, so I didn't say before, but as you guys know, if you knew, I actually pre-prepared my glass. And I used a little rim right here on the rim of it. Cucumber slice right here. And usually what I did forget, I usually put a cucumber with its peel down there. I usually put it down there already on the bottom of it, but I didn't do that today. All right, so now I'm going to taste that pops. And with the spicy sour rim on it, and with the white grape in it, it has that sweet and sour taste with spicy. Oh, this is good. This is. All right, guys, this is the sexy cucumber and mint. Oh, let me go back. This is the sexy, let me correct myself. This is the sexy, spicy cucumber lemon martini. Right here on Meet Me in a Martini Room. I'm your girl, Nyomi. And I thank you again for coming out and just showing me love. Truly showing me love right here on this station, on this channel, excuse me. All right, so guys, remember, like, share, hit me with some comments. Even if you want me to, you got any ideas or martini drinks or any kind of drinks that you want me to make for you or have some ideas, let me know. Hit me up down there in the comments or email me. All the information will be down below, as well as the recipe. But as I always say, please drink responsibly and always keep it sexy. Thanks again for meeting me.